How to draw an isometric bed. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer. For brush size, select 2%. And then start to draw a headboard. Add dimension to the headboard. Okay, then start to draw a bed. But I think I will need to adjust the size of the bed because it looks too big. Here it is. My bed looks short. No worry, you can always adjust it. Alright, I think this is the perfect size. I can extend the size of the bed. The bed look good. Now playing around with a little design on the headboard. Okay, next adding pillows and a blanket. For the pillow, you can draw just one and duplicate.